PA Green Wellness has a mission to help you repair, restore, and revitalize your body from the inside out. Their team is committed to offering you the most cutting-edge solutions to aid in the treatment of a variety of health conditions. To share some education and patient results related to the use of human cell tissue products, we welcome Dr. Richard Magill and Jennifer Fry. Dr. Magill, you've been known as a well-known family physician for many years. How did you feel about coming into this new business, and what is your personal opinion of this business?
HCTT is different than most prescription medicines. HCTP actually eliminates the inflammation, which is the basis of all of our pain. So rather than masking it, it eliminates the pain.
That's very fascinating because it is a difference than what we are traditionally thinking about medicine. Jen, would you explain why HCTP really helps us? Is this a big leap in technology?
Yes, sure. HCTP refers to human cell and tissue product, which covers the both stem cell and regenerative potential of introducing stem cells and growth factors into the body tissue. The body knows what to do with stem cells. We are born with stem cells, and as we age, they decline. So with the introduction of stem cells into our body, the body will rejuvenate and reverse debilitating conditions.
It's called regenerative medicine?
Yes.
Okay, very good. It's a new word, a new term that we're using a lot these days. We're hearing a lot more. We're educating everyone. Dr. Magill, we're going to see and hear more of you too, actually, because you're fascinated with the scientific process, correct?
Yes.
You've delivered how many babies?
Approximately 2,000.
Oh, so you do know a little about this. Have you ever wondered what happens to the placenta?
I did at the time. We threw them away. Mm-hmm. We weren't aware of the life-giving procedures they had.
Indeed.
And so we were not educated about it.
Did you ever think you'd see this?
No.
No? Didn't think you'd be around for that? Oh, well, here we are, and Jen's going to tell us a little more. Jen, we're going to see here and hear more about you in the upcoming weeks. Just so that I know, what's the process? Do you do a little medical exam when you get there, or ask about their medical history?
Yes, patients come in, they have a consult. We are an MD-driven practice. So they fill out paperwork, we look at their medical history. All of our product comes from Predictive Biotech, which is an FDA-approved lab. So we have a very controlled and high-level environment.
Very good. Thank you very much. And we are going to talk more with you. You're right off the Progress Avenue of I-81.
Yes.
And after the break, we're going to go inside PA Green Wellness and give you more of an in-depth look at what they do. Stay with us.